back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use Gemini versus ChatGPT, which is better. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use Gemini or ChatGPT and you want to test which is better, you cannot definitely tell which one, either Gemini or ChatGPT is better, as the best choice depends on your task. With ChatGPT, you can often excel at creative text, coding, and complex reasoning. And while you use your Gemini, it majorly shines in real time web search, multimodal understanding like images and videos, and Google Workspace integration. So, if you're using Gemini for up to date information and Google ecosystem tasks, and ChatGPT for in depth writing, coding, or custom GPTs, often using both for different needs, you cannot definitely tell which one is better. However, it will cater the best task you give it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.